It's a very nose to the grindstone job. It teaches you to be better with your hands because your hands will hurt, your arms will hurt. It's physical. You learn a lot about who you actually are and how much drive you have. Wire rope will humble you, so be ready to be humbled. Come to work every day with a good attitude because this stuff will beat you up. Love the job, love what I do. I'm Ryan Ernie with Mazzella Companies. I am a rigger. Spent 2.5 years over in the sling department, and I've spent time on the wire rope cut side. I jump back and forth wherever I'm needed. I start my day with a cup of coffee, get the shop ready to go for the day, go over, check my boards. So checking the boards is to see basically what the game plan for the day is. Responsibilities, it's basically just, you know, keeping a level head. It's easy to get flustered on the wire rope side. Here's kind of the game plan. I got a bunch of orders up here for 1/2 inch and 3/4. That 1/4 inch reel, I had it out. I could have picked it up and went and put it back, but I know I got 1/4 inch on that order. I got 1/4 inch on these braids here. So I know that I need that reel still. So if I put that up, that's one more thing I gotta do. I gotta get on a forklift, go get it, bring it back. I know I need it, so why not just leave it out? The planning's the biggest thing when it comes to how's our day gonna look. Yeah, you definitely need to get your reps. Like new guys, you will make thimble eyes all day long until you have it down pat. You will make standard eyes until you know it by heart. You know, we do a lot of things to build repetition. Repetition's everything in the wire rope department. I started here, I actually needed a job really bad. My roommate worked over in the wire rope cut side. He got me the job here, and it's been history ever since. I had no idea what any of this was. Zero experience. So I worked in insulation. I insulated attics and crawl spaces, so I knew my way around tools and working hard and sweating, so I had a pretty good idea what I was getting myself into when I got here. Wire rope is all technique. It doesn't come down to strength. It doesn't come down to how big and strong you are. It comes down to how you work the wire rope. It's all in technique. You can sit there and muscle it all day, but wire rope, it's always gonna win. You're always gonna lose the wire rope. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. You work the main group of muscles, but you work the other muscles, like the brain muscle a lot too. It's staying humble, being strong and all that. It'll get you so far. Everything's technique around here. It's definitely the people. That's what keeps me coming in here every day, is the group of people I surround myself around for 8 hours a day. It's good to enjoy the people you work with. That's one of the huge things. And the learning portion. There's a huge learning curve when it comes to wire rope. There's always something new. There's always some new technology coming out. There's new types of, hardware that they're bringing out. It's endless. You can go down rabbit holes of wire rope and just learn all types of stuff. Give it one more good one. And boom. Sweet, that's an order done. What makes me proud to do my job, it's just knowing that I did it right. For all the new hires, just be humble, be happy. Things will go your way, I promise.